Hello learners, I am Dr. Rekha Sharma, Associate Professor UGC Human Resource Development Center, Rashtra Sant Tukaroji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. In this section, we will study phytosterols. Phytosterols play vital role in humans. Phytosterols are known for their low density lipoprotein cholesterol reducing effect. As phytosterols are structurally similar to the human cholesterol, on consumption they compete with cholesterol in intestinal absorption during the process of digestion. This interferes with the human cholesterol absorption and facilitates cholesterol excretion, which results in reduction of serum LDL and blood cholesterol levels. Because of their rate of systemic absorption is low and as they are part of healthy vegetarian diets, increasing the intake of phytosterols may be a simple method to reduce incidence of coronary artery disease. The other health benefits of phytosterols include boosting of immune system and reduction in the risk of cancer, certain cancers. Dear learners, let us now study phytosterols in detail. Phytosterol belong to a chemical group sterols and the most commonly known compound of sterol group is cholesterol. The word cholesterol is derived from the Greek word chole for bile and steros for solids, followed by the chemical suffix ol for an alcohol. Cholesterol is an organic molecule which is a sterol and also comes under lipids. It is an essential structural component of membranes of animal cells which is required to obtain proper membrane permeability and fluidity. Other than its importance within cells, cholesterol is also needed for the biosynthesis of steroid hormone, bile acids as well as vitamin D. Although cholesterol is the predominant sterol found in animals including humans, a variety of other related sterols are found in plants termed as phytosterols. Now let us study the definition. Phytosterols and phytostenols, also known as plant sterols and stenols, are compounds found in plant origin foods. They are structurally associated with cholesterol, but they differ in their structure of the side chain. They occur in the cell membrane of plants and are therefore an integral part of human diet. The commonly known phytosterols in our diet are campesterol, sitosterol and stigmasterol. There are over 40 plant sterols identified with beta sitosterol, stigmasterol and campesterol being the most abundant. These sterols are usually present as free sterols or fatty acid esters. These are present in the non-saponifiable fractions of the plant oils. Let us see the structure. The plant sterols or phytosterols and their esters are natural fat-like compounds structurally similar to cholesterol. Cholesterol, the predominant sterol in the animal, is produced by human body and can also be obtained through diet. Plant sterols differ from the cholesterol due to the presence of a methyl or ethyl group in the side chain. This difference prevents the plant sterols and stenols from being absorbed in the intestine. Now let us see the types of phytosterols. Phytosterols have been classified into two types. Sterols means which have a double bond in the sterol link, hence known as unsaturated compounds. Stenols which lacks a double bond in the sterol link, so are saturated molecules. The most abundant sterols found in plants and human diets are sitosterol, stigmasterol and campesterol as we have seen earlier, and stenols are also present in plants, but they form only 10% of total dietary phytosterols. And stenols are more resistant to oxidation and are as effective as sterols in reducing cholesterol absorption. Now the structure of phytosterols is depicted in this figure. By removing carbon 24 second, chempisterol is obtained. By removing carbon 24 1 and 24 2, cholesterol is obtained. By removing a hydrogen from carbon 22nd and 23rd, yields stigmasterol. By hydrogenating the double bond between carbon 5 6, beta cetosterol is obtained, and by hydrogenating the double bonds between carbon 5 and 6 and removing carbon 24 2, chempisterol is obtained. Now, sources of phytosterol. Plant sterols or phytosterols and their esters are natural fat-like compounds structurally similar to cholesterol. Commonly known sources include vegetables, fruits, legumes, vegetable oils, that is safflower, sunflower, corn, soya, olive, canola and tall oil. Tall oil is a byproduct of the coniferous wood pulp industry. The richest naturally occurring sources of phytosterols are vegetable oils and their products. They can be present in the free form and as esters of fatty acids, cinnamic acid or as glycosides. Nuts, which are rich in phytosterols, although eaten in smaller amounts, can significantly contribute to total phytosterol intake. Cereal products, vegetables, fruits and berries are not rich in phytosterols, but can be significant source of phytosterols due to their higher consumption. Human cannot synthesize phytosterols, therefore, all phytosterols in human blood and tissues are derived from diet, whereas cholesterol in human blood and tissues is derived from the animal foods as well as endogenous cholesterols production by the liver. Seeds, whole grains and legumes are also make good dietary source of phytosterols. Though sterols and stenols are ubiquitous in the plants world, but they are most effective when taken with food. So, they are now commercially produced as a supplement added to food. Esterification makes plant sterols and stenols more fat soluble, so they can easily be incorporated into fat containing foods including margarines and salad dressings. Now, let us conclude. In this module, we have seen the phytosterol contents of different foods and we have also studied the absorption and metabolism of phytosterol.